Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to explain you about the web user interface and the principles of user interface design. This is the last topic in the first unit. So, web user interface, it's like a navigation environment where people move pages of information and not an application environment. That is like it is a navigation environment, and it is also a graphically rich environment. Like it provides a number of links, navigation buttons, visible things on the screen. And the web user interface, it is like essentially the design of navigation and the presentation of information. That means its main focus is on presentation of information, and it is completely about the content and not about the data. That means how the information is presented, how they are formatted. It is mainly focused on those things. So coming to the popularity of this web user interface, so like millions of people are communicating through this web interface. That means like it's like an HTML page, right? Like for example, if we take a Geek for Geek website, number of people access this. That means across the globe, people are using this interface to communicate, access some information, and publish their own contents. And people can control much of the display. That means here I can say like typography, colors change. Now like people can change. If you want in a dark mode, you can put it, and if not, you can go with a normal light mode. So we have certain such options in this interface, and we can also turn off on these graphics. And commercialization through internet. Through this internet, the commercialization started like anything. That means people started like we can see some websites, they ask for money. That means to access some certain specific information, they charge on us. And also people prefer this because it is quick to vote with mouse. So these are some popularity things of the web user interface. And coming to the last topic, general principles of user interface design. So in this we have a Xerox star, which includes 6 principles in it. That is the illusion of manipulable objects, the visual order and viewer focus, revealed structure, consistency. For these things I'm not providing any detailed explanation, but I hope you can understand with the titles. Like consistency is like we need to maintain the same pattern. Reveal the structure, that means you need to understand the structure of this design. And coming to visual order and viewer focus, that means on what things we need to focus these things. So for this purpose I'm not providing any explanation for these principles. And the last one is a match with the medium. And these are specific principles only for Xerox star, and we have certain general principles. So I have observed like many of the people are asking for notes in the comment section. I want to make this clear for you. I'm preparing this short notes from the textbook. I don't have any specific notes, so we are reading from the textbook and we have prepared this short notes. I only have this. Hope my only intention is like you people should be clear with the concept. So coming to the general principles of user interface design, there are nearly 30 to 40 designs provided in the textbook. So the main things I have written here, like the design should be very clarity, it should be compatible, comprehensible, and it should have consistency in it, control. That means we should able to control the things in the design, familiarity, flexibility, recover. So there are many things. And one more thing is like make sure you need to learn about the difference between GUI and web user interface. This is one of the important things. And with this video, first unit has been completed. Thank you.